Here I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should find and pick display. And now open the advanced options and go to font size. And now simply by changing the scale, you can update your font size. So here is the resolution. So for example, if you want to have a truly small one, you can have them, or if you want to have the largest one, you can also set them up. As you can see, everything is pretty large right now. And as you can see, also the icons are way bigger. If you'd like to go back to default settings, to default site, or even change it to smaller, just go to the settings one more time. Now you won't definitely miss display because the icons are very huge. Let's open advanced, pick font size, and now you can change to whichever you prefer. So let me pick, for example, default font size, and from now on, as you can see, the default settings are over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Now you can change the font size whenever you want or need to. So please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.